Welcome back, dudes. Today we're making Dalgona Coffee. Dalgona Coffee became popular in Korea and now has been an internet sensation on Instagram and the web alike. So let's get started and let's make some coffee. You want to make some coffee? What do you think? Say hi to everybody. For this recipe, you're going to need almond milk or regular milk. This one is vanilla unsweetened. You're also going to need instant coffee. This is the freeze-dried kind in a jar. A hand mixer with attachments. Sweetener of choice. I'm going to use monk fruit, but you can also use sugar. Optional is Hershey's cocoa to make it like a Dalgona Mocha. A measuring spoon and a mason jar. The important thing when you heat your water is that it's very hot, and you'll see why when we make it. Alright, to assemble you just need 2 tablespoons of instant coffee, you also need 2 tablespoons of sweetener, and 2 tablespoons of extra hot boiling water. I microwave water for about 2 minutes. Put a little bit of extra in there. So here goes. Now I'll stop at about 2 minutes to show you how much air has come into the mixture. I'll just start mixing a little bit to incorporate this. So you really want those granules to melt. And once they start to melt, you can begin blending. And the idea is that you're going to mix air into this coffee mixture. Okay, at this point you can see the air is starting to get into the mixture of coffee, water, and sugar. And I'm just going to keep going and make this silky smooth. Now you can see it's getting creamy now. And I'm going to go a little bit longer because it actually gets like smooth and velvety. See how rich it is? So good. At this point, I want to make it a mocha, so what I'm going to do is just add a little bit of cocoa powder, not too much because it is strong, and I just gently mix it in with a spoon. The only thing left to do here now is to fill a glass with ice and milk of your choice. You can also use this warm. I've had it warm and cold. And then you top with the Dalgona. Now that I have my coffee assembled, I can just mix it and give it a taste. That's good. Tasty coffee. Thanks for watching. Remember, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.